welcome to my first ever YouTube video. And in the background you may hear my cat meowing. But anyway, I wanted to, yes, hi Patches. I wanted to tell you a short little story leading up to how it was that I ended up singing and speaking Chinese gibberish. I used to live in Nashville, and I was a songwriter, and I played piano at age 8 and took 3 years of lessons, and I couldn't take my piano with me when I moved from Iowa to Nashville. So I ended up purchasing an electronic keyboard, and everybody was telling me that I need to write country music, not electronic keyboard style music. And I was told by my boyfriend at the time that it was sounding like Chinese. So from that point on, I was like, well, I don't look Chinese, but I sound Chinese. And I don't speak like I'm Southern, but when I sing, I sound like I'm Southern. So from there on, it all led to this Chinese thing. I'm like going, oh my goodness, you know, I'm speaking this crazy language and it sounds Chinese. So here we go. Here's a little bit about how I sound when I speak and sing Chinese. So and it doesn't make any sense in Chinese. I've asked Chinese people, what does that mean? Nothing. They don't understand it. And neither do I. And I can just call it up whenever I want it to come to life, and it will. And I'll give you another little small sampling of it. And by the way, this is a great tactic for when you get telemarketing calls. Usually they won't say anything, and if they do say anything and you don't want to talk to them, you just start sounding crazy. And they'll hang up and they'll leave you alone. However, I did have one caller who actually called back so that they could listen to me sound like I'm sounding right now, all over again. And there's my other kitty who is telling me it's time to quit doing that.